subject is, today's lecture is on Corporate Communication and Public Relations of TYBMS Semester 5. Now here we go with the corporate communication. You can see here many on this particular slide. There are different companies' logos are there. So this is what we are talking about, different companies. How these companies are going to talk, what they communicate with us. Through their logo, they are communicating through their logo, through their symbol. That is what is corporate communication. We are going to talk about communication. So what is top of mind? Can you see there? Everyone can see over there. McDonald's, junk food. You can see many logos are there. Lakme beauty products. So they are defining what the company is about. So that is nothing but through their logo, through their design, through their images, through their symbols, they are talking to us. Us means all consumers. These are some of the examples to understand examples of corporate language, what they mean exactly. Like for example, first sentence you can see over there, you have done a great job. In corporate world, if the boss says you have done a great job, they mean more work to be given to you. It means, it symbolizes, so this sentence has the meaning, yes, you are the good person, good candidate, a good employee, and you need to be given more work. Second sentence says is, after discussion, means any corporate discussion is going on or any corporate meeting is going on. We will decide, I'm very open to views. When the boss says that, it means I have already decided and I will tell you what to do. I hope this is clear. This is very critical, very technical way of presenting what I want to say. But what I am saying, I want to say something else, but I am saying something else. Means I am just showing that yes, after discussion, we will decide. But it doesn't mean that. The actual meaning is I have already decided, and I will tell you what you are supposed to do. Next is, there was a slight miscommunication. It means we had actually lied. When the corporate people in public, they come and they communicate on news channel or on other places, जब उनकी चोरी पकड़ी जाती, what they say, there was slight miscommunication, but that is not the true. They are saying, they are communicating that way, but it real meaning is they had actually lied and now they are correcting themselves. Next is, we are on the right track, but there needs to be a slight extension of the deadline. It means the project is screwed up, we cannot deliver on time, means project is going for long duration, it is taking more time. That is the meaning of that particular sentence. Next is, that's actually a good question, I don't know anything about it. इसका मतलब ये होता है, whenever any person, now you people observe the all the interviews or some sort of all the news where the corporate people come and they talk, you will understand, you will recollect this particular slide over there, and you will understand, yes, it is actually right. That's actually a good question. Whenever any person says, that's very good question, it means I don't know anything about it, what you're talking. All the best. When the person says corporate field, when the person says all the best, that means you are going to face more problems. You will be in trouble or you are in trouble. This was general communication, what actually they say and what it means. That was the examples of that. Now next slide, we will go for what is corporate communication. This is part of your syllabus, so we will see about it. Corporate communication is a total communication. It is an activity which is generated by the company or body or institute to its public in order to achieve its planned objective. Means it is the communication which is generated by company, matlab communication created by the company. Company is company is communicating with the people, with the public at large, with mass people, mass body. So it is generated by company or body or institute to its public to achieve the planned objective. What is the objective? Always remember, any company has the main objective. Obviously, it is understood to make profit. But to make profit, we need to satisfy our customers, we need to fulfill their demands, we need to create good image, goodwill for the company. Everyone should be happy to work with the company. More and more number of investors are needed for the company to grow, and this all these are the objectives of the company. To achieve these objectives, company had to communicate properly in a proper way, so that what they want to convey to the people, it should reach them without any confusion. So you can see here corporate communications. There are internal and external communications. Internal, two types of communication in corporate communication. One is internal. Internal communication between higher authority and employees, that is management and employees, management and stakeholders. Stakeholders here means, I'll tell you the meaning of the stakeholder. Stakeholder is a general term which includes employees, customers, contractors, suppliers, shareholders, directors, managers, lower staff, upper staff, all kind of employees, customers, society at large, and government. All these people or all these things are coming under stakeholder. If it is written shareholder, that means the people, those who are investing in the company, we are talking about them. But here, stakeholder means share and stockholders. All those who are directly and indirectly connected with the company, they all need a communication. Now we will see the external factors. External factors are the agencies, different agencies through which we have a contract with them, or we deal with the particular agencies or the companies or institutes outside our company. Channel partners means we are talking about media partners or our expansion or business partners, something like that. Government, different government, local government body, state government body, central government body. So government is also there. Industry, different industry bodies, industrial sector you can say, or educational sector or general public. They are coming under external corporate communication. Corporate communication in simple words. What is the corporate communication in simple words? Communication itself includes advertising, marketing communications, then marketing and public relations. For marketing, it includes everything, customer satisfaction, not just advertising, salesmanship, sponsorship, personal selling, everything includes in that. Branding, packaging, transportation, physical distribution, all these things comes under marketing communications and marketing. So public relations, but they all function under a managed perspective. I hope this is clear for you all, and it's an easy way it is written. Next slide will go. What is the scope of corporate communication? So what is the scope of corporate communication? Scope, what is the, how long it will go and how it is useful? You can see there for corporations. Corporations means corporate sector we are talking about, company sector, commercial sector we are talking about. There are many departments and they have different relations like community relations and marketing communications within organizations. Reputation means those departments, those corporations, they provide service to clients. So again, they need communication. Good communication relation are needed. Next is non-profit agencies like NGOs and all. What they do, cultural groups, hospitals, NGOs, they are working for the benefit of the people or welfare of the people. And for that, they need to raise fund also. All these things, so again, they need communication. So communication is everywhere, needed everywhere. We will see another sector, that is entertainment, sports and travel sector. Again, here we need communication. Communicators in these areas are usually concerned with press agent and promotion events. In entertainment sector, you all know they keep doing promotion. Like there was one movie recently during lockdown, it was released. How they have communicated? Through Amazon Prime. Amitabh Bachchan and
Ayushman Khurrana, Gulabo
Ayushman Khurrana
Sitabo.
was there. I said Ayushman Khurrana was there, and their movie and had come, and they have done the promotion on the online platform. So this is what different promotion means. What they were doing, they were communicating with us. Next is government and military. Even they need to communicate. They are also following under corporate communication. How government has different schemes now. Different issues are coming. Like China border issue has come up. Different political issues in state government, different states also. Not only in our state, but they need to communicate with the public and with each other parties also. So this is how they are going to take help of communication. Next is education. Every sector, as I told you all, every sector has important uh, scope, that is of communication. Without communication, anything and nothing is possible. So we need communication over there. For education sector, you can see relationships with alumni, faculty, administration, students, and to create good image of the college, to recruit students, to raise funds for each and everything. So here we can see nationally as well as internationally, corporate communication is needed. You can see here corporate identity. Your next topic is about corporate identity. What is corporate identity? It is an enterprise. What it is? It is an enterprise. It defines, it attains and maintains a desired position and image in the minds of internal and external stakeholders. All the stakeholders, the image is created through corporate identity. And that identity, we have certain process to follow to create an identity, that is to define, to attain and maintain a desired image and positioning. You can see here the brands are shown. Here we can see different brands are there. Cadbury, Nescafe, they have their an image, they have their some slogans also, they have their jingles. This is what, and they are popular now. They have created their identity. For identity, what you need, like visual elements are needed and other communication. These are the guidelines for identity. Identity means to make popular. This is what is needed in corporate identity. You can see the brands over here. We can see the brands over here, and you can see that they are creating the identity. I'll repeat again. Corporate identity is an enterprise which control the process for to define, to attain and maintain a desired positioning and image in the minds of its internal and external stakeholders. These are some of the brands which have created their special identity in the corporate world with the help of communication, with the help of corporate communication, and public relations are maintained. Thank you. Next lecture we will see about in detail how corporate identity works. This lecture we have seen, we have observed that about corporate communication, how it is affecting, what is the scope of corporate communication, and we have discussed about corporate identity.